Ali ya kionyo yo na mangana yo mwemusie bwe wodi ya Maske East Mikaeli Motume amono mwemusie mojore damari sinyancho ko yogorgura senseme yo anekrabanya bako boli serikali county ya Kisii kora wana Paulo Simba Arati ko jigokoro bwaga chipunya gitali yo obu atenenire asemiaka 10 go ikabono ba ukwana ni watebuna nyagitali se ko bateaga chwa nigera chikogwa anando bokorari bwa nyagitali bosareke asenseme yo.
We are at Kyonyo Health Facility. We have found that the building that is supposed to house wards and other services here is in a bad shape. It has stayed still for the last 10 years. We are appealing to His Excellency, our Governor, my brother Simba. You have told us to work. And from Masige East, my appeal to you is, of the many appeals I'm making, this is also one of the urgent and very important appeal that I'm making to you. Please, this building soon it will collapse. I am sure a lot of millions have been spent here. The best we can do is to at least have a roof over this house so that the rains that are so much here in Kisii do not damage this facility further.
There's a workload in the heritage facility. Most patients, they come. There's no beds even for admission. This building has been more than 10 years here. Where we are standing, we are even fearing that it might fall on us. It is our cry, and even from the society, and even the heritage workers who are in this hospital, it's our cry that you do something.